This is the presentation of my week 6 project. Okay, so it takes me right to the documents page. As you can see, all of the documents are clickable. When I add a document, it does take me to that screen that says good job. And then all of these links are clickable as well and will lead to their designated web pages. The edit button also works, as well as the delete button. And I can delete them and refresh them and all that. Now for the contacts, everything is working well. Also, the new contact takes you to the edit. The edit takes you to the edit. Each of these pull up with their activated blue color, and they can also be deleted.